This is the cut wires over here at the electrical panel on Weyburn. To kind of give you an idea.
Everything's still here. Continues through.
We're in the basement. What's up?
Everything's here. Continues through.
That's your PEX. That is the furnace and the water heater. Forget my light. Where's my light? Well, that's the furnace, but it's not hooked up. The gas is hooked up. Missing a couple little pieces. The water heater gas is hooked up. Looks like the plumbing still needs hooked up. What else?